Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study English effectively. First, thoroughly understand your syllabus and the exam pattern. This foundational step helps you prioritize topics. Next, dedicate consistent time to improving your grammar and expanding your vocabulary. Daily practice is key for long-term retention. Finally, regularly practice writing different formats like essays and letters to refine your expression and structure. To master reading comprehension, make it a habit to read diverse English texts. This includes everything from short stories to newspaper articles, broadening your exposure. After reading, practice summarizing what you've read in your own words. This is a powerful way to check your understanding. Also, train yourself to quickly identify the main ideas and supporting details within any given passage. Improving your writing and grammar is crucial. Start by learning the fundamental grammar rules and pay attention to their common exceptions, as these often trip students up. Actively practice different writing formats, such as reports, notices, and articles, to become versatile. Most importantly, make it a habit to consistently review your own written work for any grammatical or spelling errors before finalizing it. To truly round out your English skills, focus on speaking and listening. Actively engage in conversations whenever possible. Even short daily chats can significantly boost your confidence. Make listening to English podcasts, news, or audiobooks a regular part of your routine to improve comprehension and pronunciation. And hey, for those looking to simplify their daily life, check out the link in the description for some fantastic deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.